I'm currently pursuing in Master of Science in Biotechnology in University Malaysia Sabah, Malaysia. So I've attended the 3 days online workshop in metagenomics analysis in 16S rRNA. So what I've learned from this workshop is that I become clearer on the workflow in metagenomic analysis since my master project is on gut microbiome. So I'm very thankful to the BDG for organizing such informative workshop. So I'm looking forward to attend more workshop from BDG. Thank you very much.
I'm Soumya Sridhar and I'm from Bangalore. I'm currently doing my BTech in Biotechnology from PES University, RR campus. I'm currently in my 3rd semester. So last week I had taken up the CRISPR course, the CRISPR hands-on course given by BDG Lifesciences. It was a genome editing workshop. And I have a particular interest in genetics and not much foundation knowledge in the basics of CRISPR. So I was very excited to take up this course, and I have to say that all my expectations were fulfilled. I learned to use a lot of online tools which I have looked up before and never really had an idea as to how to use it. And regardless of searching various YouTube videos or reading generally on what CRISPR is and how it works, it was definitely more helpful having a teacher-like approach to learning it. My teacher was Monica Maitra ma'am, and she was really good and very helpful to us all, and I have to say that I definitely understood the theoretical part of CRISPR very well and enjoyed the practical parts as well. We had like 3 days of practicals and about 1.5 days of theory, and every bit of it was really enjoyable, and she was really patient with all of us and taught us what everything meant. So yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed the course, and I will definitely be taking more courses from BDG Lifesciences in the future.
Hello everyone, myself Kalpita Bhatta, Assistant Professor in Botany, Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha. I have attended the 5-day online training session on structural bioinformatics. It was a great learning experience for me as the instructor was very much nice in delivering all the lectures and skills regarding the structural bioinformatics. As I have come from a different background not related to bioinformatics, but this 5-day training session actually gave me an opportunity to explore the structural bioinformatics and different databases like NCBI, PDB, KMBL and TruckBank. I think the decision of mine to join this online session was a nice one, as I have gained much knowledge in a short span of time, and I am very much thankful for BDG Life Science for organizing such online session by which peoples from different background can gain knowledge on bioinformatics. Once again, thank you, BDG Life Science.
Hello, my name is Shubham Kumar and I am an undergraduate student from KIT's College of Engineering. I am doing BTech Biotechnology. I did the course online course workshop of structural bioinformatics for 5 days. I learned some data sets and protein structure from the course. The course taught me what is protein structure, what is protein, and what the protein binding sites. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jasper Rachel, doing my master's degree in bioinformatics. I'm one of the participants who participated in the online workshop which held between 17 to 21 on the topic structural bioinformatics. The 5 days online workshop was really informative and knowledgeable. I was able to learn so many new things, especially about the databases. I have learned so many things about the databases which will be very useful for my PhD studies. Looking forward for more online sessions and workshops. Thank you.
Hello, I am Khushi Mamgai and I am doing MSc Bioinformatics from Manipal Academy of Higher Education. I attended a 5-day workshop on structural bioinformatics from BDG Lifesciences. My instructor was Nilofer Sheikh ma'am, who was very helpful throughout the workshop. In 5 days, we were taught not just theory lessons but also practicals on structural bioinformatics. They also taught us some databases, some tools, and also how one can use structural bioinformatics for their research. I would like to thank BDG Life Sciences and my instructor for letting me be a part of such an informative workshop. And also, I wish and hope that I can attend many such workshops with them. Thank you.